Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you got a bad blower motor or a bad blower motor resistor? If you turn on the fan and the blower motor is working, it means that the blower motor fuse is working, the relay is working, and maybe the resistor is working okay. Now, if you hear noise coming from the blower motor, such as a whirring noise or whistling noise, humming noise, or even a grinding noise, it means that the bearing on the fan might be failing. However, if you hear a rustling noise, it means that there's going to be leaves and twigs caught in the blower motor, and it's going to make a rustling noise. So again, just because you hear noise, it does not necessarily mean it is bad. All you gotta do is you got to take out the blower motor and clean out the leaves. Just because the blower motor is working, it does not mean that you don't have a bad blower motor resistor. You can have a combination of a bad blower motor and a bad blower motor resistor. I'm going to explain why. Just because the blower motor is working, it does not necessarily mean that blower motor resistor is not bad. If the high setting is working and the medium setting and the low setting is not working, it means that resistor is bad. I'm going to tell you guys why. So if the resistor is not working properly, two things is going to happen. Either the fan is going to receive maximum voltage, or the blower motor is not going to receive any power at all, and the blower motor is not going to work. If that resistor is partially working, the medium and the low setting is not going to work, because since that blower motor most likely might be burnt, it is not going to help step down the voltage going to the blower motor. So again, this is just an example. When the blower motor resistor is working, the high setting is going to put out maximum voltage at 12.6 volt. And if the medium and low is working, it's going to put out some sort of voltage, and you can tell that the voltage is lower, so this is going to make that blower motor spin slower. The quickest way to tell if you got a bad blower motor or a bad blower motor resistor is that if power is going to the blower motor and the blower motor is not spinning or it is not working, then that blower motor is most likely burnt out. Now, if that blower motor is receiving power and the blower motor is working and the high setting is working, the medium and the low is working, but you're hearing noise coming from the blower motor, then that blower motor is on its way out and the bearing is failing. And again, if the high setting only works and the medium and low setting is not working, then that blower motor resistor is going to be the issue. And of course, always check for burnt or loose connection. If you look at this blower motor resistor connection, you can see it is discolored, and most likely there's going to be a burnt connection at that part. And of course, I always check the blower motor resistor connection as well, because I have done this for so long that I have seen many of this connection start to overheat and it start to melt, and it start to cause all sorts of connection issue. If that blower motor resistor is on its way out and it is overheating, it is going to cause intermittent issue. So sometimes that blower motor may not work and sometimes it may work. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.